I will leave a parts list in the description. This is a Harbor Freight safe. It's about 20 years old. It requires 4 AA's to power it. 4 AA batteries series together equals 6 volts. 2 18650 batteries series is a little over 6 volts, but it doesn't seem to affect it at all. All I did is cut the wires, solder them together, and heat shrink them. I applied a double adhesive tape to the back of the battery pack. These are the 18650 batteries I've kind of collected over about a year. All you have to do is remove the batteries from the battery pack and put a small amount of solder on the tip. I will shoot a video in the link description of how I did this.